All right, my friends, we are looking at a new dash cam. So for some of you that watch the vlog videos that I put out, you realize I got a new car. Well, new to me, and it doesn't have a dash cam in it. So we've got, I think, a couple that are here right now to try out. So this is the first one by a company called Orskey. I've never even heard of them, but Orskey S960. It's a 3-channel, which means it has 3 cameras that comes with it. Now, it's not a 4K or anything like that. As far as I know, it is a 1080p plus 720p plus 720p front and rear inside car. So I believe you have a 1080 shooting outside, 720p shooting inside, and possibly a like a rear view camera, one that you can mount on the back somewhere, and that's 720p as well. So right now you're looking at, there's your prices right there. Right now you're looking at $119 US right now for the S960. So we're gonna crack it open. See what comes in it. I don't usually test the rear cameras just because it's a pain to mount. But because it's a 720p internal and that's the same resolution as the rear, I figured the quality should be very similar. But we will, of course, test the front-facing and the inside rear camera and go from there. Okay, so this is the box that it comes with. I got some cables just popping out here because I'm charging some stuff. Move this around. 3-channel S960 dash cam. There you go there, right? 3 cameras, which is nice. 3 cameras for sure. Infrared night vision, suitable for taxi cabs, Lyft, Ubers. Supports up to 128 gigs, 24-hour parking monitor, and really small on the back. Hopefully you guys can see that is a bunch of the actual specs. You can pause that there if you need to give that a look-see. But you and I are going to just crack this open. And, oh, it comes with a card. That's nice. Ultra, 32 gig Ultra card. That's all right. It looks like a SanDisk card, but it doesn't actually say SanDisk on it, so I'm guessing it's probably not. But whatever, it works. One of your little sticky mounts. Cool. This is going to be your... What is this? Oh, this is probably your rear view camera, actually, right here, because as you can tell, for one, that looks like a camera. And this is a ton of cable, so that's going to be able to go all the way to the back. This is your 12 volt or your cigarette lighter power adapter for the camera. Cool. Make sure we bring that. These are the pieces we're bringing out to the car. This is your... well, this is more power, it looks like. So it's a micro, sorry, just mini USB to USB-A, but it does have a little feeding tool. So if you want the feeding tool, just feed your cable, right? That's good. And of course, a bunch of instructions. Nice, very nice. And then last but not least, I'm hoping this is the camera, because I'm like, where's the actual camera? My guess is this is the camera. Yeah, okay. That's weird. Usually the camera's out front, in front of everything, but no, this is the opposite. So it definitely feels, I'm gonna say it definitely feels plasticky, right? It has a really light feel to it. It doesn't look like there's gonna be like your power going in there, right there. That's going to be, it looks like your mount, but I think it's because it looks like there might be some also kind of like power going into that. I think they have, or they possibly can wire this into your car. Anyways, there's your 1080p camera that's shooting out forward. One of these, of course, is going to be maybe this one here. This is going to be the one that comes from your rear view camera right there. There's, of course, your other power. And that's going to be the camera that shoots into the dash. So we'll make sure we pull these stickers off right here, because if not, the quality's not going to be fantastic if you leave all the weird sticker things on there. As far as the looks of the camera, nice. I'm guessing this will be able to rotate. Yeah, this will be able to rotate a little bit. And I'm guessing this would be considered top right there. Oh, so this is, no, this is maybe not. It's just maybe just more of a lock. I thought maybe it was like a power adapter, but that's going to be where it goes into your mount, of course. Of course. There's your mic and a bunch of buttons. Now, does it have? Yeah, it does. I wonder if this has any power in it. So it does have some power in it. So we can just look quickly at the menu possibly. And that's all the power. So no, we're not going to do that. All right, I'm going to go mount it in the camera, mount it in the car, and then we will see what the footage is like, and then we'll come back and we'll give you a tour of the menu. Yeah.
All right, so you are now hearing and seeing, I guess, some video footage of the internal facing camera. So this is the 720p camera. Faces inside the dash, so you guys get an idea of what the quality is like of it, and you also get to hear what the microphone is like, how it picks up. This is not going to be altered at all, so hopefully that'll give you an idea of the quality of it. It is nice because you can kind of rotate the camera back and forth, and if you guys want to see what the front-facing camera is, I'll just put it there now so you guys can see that as well, to give you an idea of what it's like. And that's it. We'll see you at home. I'm just driving slow here because this area of this road here has a really nasty bump that seems to grind the bottom of your car if you hit it too fast. So yeah, I'll give you some more footage coming up right here, and we'll see you guys at home.
Okay guys, so we're back in the house now, and I've got it back here, and just so you guys know, I've looked at some of the footage. You're buying this camera not for image quality. I'm going to say that right now, not for image quality. You're buying it because of the 3 cameras, so you want to make sure that you're recording everything, because, you know, 1080 at its highest, and 720 for rear and in dash, it's fine. It's fine unless you want any kind of like detail, right? It's for someone that is like, let's say an Uber driver or something like that. Is it going to capture all the stuff that's happening in your dash inside the cabin? Yeah, for sure, right? And maybe that's all you want. Now the bonus is, because it is lower resolution and it can be capturing like 3 streams of stuff. The bonus is that because it's lower resolution, it doesn't take as much space on the card, which means you're going to get more footage on there, which is good. But quality wise, the front facing camera is decent. It's wide enough. 1080p is okay. There is seems like a lot of compression on it because you're seeing a lot of artifacts. The microphone, when you're going slow, is fine. It can record you talking and things like that, so the conversation that you may be having. Once you get up to like highway speed, and our car, I think, is fairly quiet. It is just picking up road noise, so it really does get muffled kind of there. And dash, the inside camera, is inverted. So it's not inverted, it's reversed. So, you know, you'll see me sitting here in the car, but I'm sitting on the wrong side of the car. And if you look at my shirt, it's all backwards. So everything is reversed. You'd have to flip it, I guess, in post. So that's kind of weird too, right? I was hoping that I could get this to possibly turn on, maybe. Let's just see if this will come on and do anything. Please insert your SD card. Yeah, so it is 1080, right? You see both cameras on there, which is fine, right? Which is great for you being able to like angle this and get it wherever you need it. Now the other thing too with the camera that's shot in here, I'll put some footage up here, is there's like side light. It really gets like this purple tinge to it, which was really weird. And then I'm guessing you just kind of click this, you have to go into your menu. So you've got things like your resolution, loop recording, high dynamic range. So we can kind of just go through these, right? What else here? Go back. Oh, there's the OK button there. Okay, let's try this again. Loop recording, high dynamic range. There's the OK button. So it was on. Okay, sure. Exposure compensation was fine. Motion detection, recording. If you want to record the mic, G sensor. What else? Parking monitor. Car number. So I guess if you have it set, and that's kind of it. And then you go into settings, screensaver, auto power off, light frequency. I should switch that to 60, but it shouldn't make that much of a difference. Beep sound, that's kind of an annoying beep, but it's there. Switch sound, language, date and time. And you will notice that my date and time was set wrong because I didn't play with it here, but that's kind of it. And you just go okay, and you can set this, whatever, right? Yeah, I honestly think you're getting this camera because of the price point, you know, $120. You're looking at it because of the 3 cameras, right? Because you have 3 cameras that are coming in and recording all 3 channels. If you're going for quality based and you want maybe just front and rear or front and in-dash, there's probably better ones out there that are comparable in price, maybe a bit more expensive. And if you're looking for one that's just front, you can get a 4K dash cam nowadays for $100, $150 easily that has considerably better image quality. So, you know, it's okay for what it is, but it really depends on what you're looking for. So again, if you're looking for highest quality, this isn't it. If you're looking for 3 cameras on a budget kind of, and it records everything, then not a bad option. Yes? All right. I'll put links down below if you guys are interested, and that's it for me today. Like, comment, share, subscribe, hit the little notification bell, and we'll see you guys later. I'm out.